Lise Meitner, the brilliant mind behind nuclear fission. In the annals of science, few names resonate with the quiet force and unsung heroism of Lise Meitner. Born into an era that underestimated her potential, Lise carved her name in the history of nuclear physics and laid the monumental foundations of nuclear fission, redefining the landscape of modern science. As the bright daughter of an established Viennese lawyer, Lise Meitner's early years suggested her exceptional intellect and resilience. In 1901, at a time when women were a rarity in higher education, Meitner broke barriers, enrolling at the University of Vienna to study physics under the tutelage of the legendary Ludwig Boltzmann. Her adventurous spirit and hunger for knowledge defied societal norms, setting a precedent for women in science. Vienna, with its blend of cosmopolitan modernity and deep-seated tradition, was the backdrop of her blossoming into a formidable scientist. Her journey, fraught with challenges, saw Lise as an outsider, not only in a male-dominated field, but also later as a Jewish woman in an increasingly hostile Europe. Joining Otto Hahn in Berlin in 1907, she stood firm in a world skeptical of her capabilities. With an inquisitive mind and a steadfast resolve, she collaborated with Hahn, forging a partnership that would later fuel groundbreaking discoveries. Meitner's acumen was undeniable, making her one of the first female professors in Germany until the outbreak of World War II shifted her life dramatically. In a dramatic turn, as the shadows of Nazi Germany darkened, Meitner fled to Sweden in 1938, leaving behind a rapidly deteriorating civil society. Yet even amidst exile, her scientific curiosity and persistence soared. It was during this time that she unraveled one of the most significant scientific enigmas of the 20th century. With Hahn's experimental results and a mountain of calculations on her side, Meitner, along with her nephew, Otto Frisch, theorized and conceptualized nuclear fission, a discovery that explained how atomic nuclei could split and release enormous energy. However, the acknowledgement was bittersweet. The male-dominated Nobel Committee overlooked her significant contributions, awarding the 1944 Nobel Prize in Chemistry solely to Hahn. Yet Meitner's scientific triumph shone through the murk of injustice. Her vision pioneered efforts for peaceful civil uses of nuclear energy. Her words, her ideas, ricocheted across the world, manifesting an indomitable spirit that transcended her own personal losses and professional indignities. In her later years, Lise Meitner continued to be a beacon of inspiration, lecturing and advocating for the peaceful applications of nuclear energy while urging caution against its destructive potential. She stands today as a testament to the power of perseverance, intellectual bravery, and moral integrity. Her story teaches us that silent determination often carries the loudest voices in the annals of history. Lise Meitner's legacy is woven deeply into the fabric of scientific discovery. Her pioneering work not only transformed the landscape of nuclear physics, but also opened doors for future generations of women scientists. Though she never received the Nobel accolade she deserved, her legacy endures as a reminder of the injustices faced and the broken ceilings that define societal progress. As we reflect on her life, let us celebrate her achievements and perhaps draw from her courage to challenge norms, forging paths less traveled. If Lise Meitner's incredible journey inspired you, consider sharing her story and subscribing for more stories of unsung heroes who shape the world.